Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp status not showing. If you're using WhatsApp and you're having an issue that your WhatsApp status is not showing, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to open your WhatsApp app, and here first of all you have to make sure that the person with which you want to share your status is saved to your contact or added to your contact. You can see this person has been added to my contacts. Now you just have to open the settings of WhatsApp. So open your settings app, and here go for apps. In apps you can look for WhatsApp app, and here tap on it, and here you must have to select permissions, and here you have to make sure that you have allowed the contacts access to WhatsApp. Once you have solved all issue, but if you're still having an issue, so you just have to go for update section, and here just tap on this camera icon to add a status. As here I'm going to enter a text, and here you will get this type option status. Just tap on it, and here you must have to select my contacts option. If you haven't selected this one option, or you have selected in one of these two, so it may be that your status will not show to anyone. So you must have to select my contacts option, then tap on done, and then you can easily share your status. Once you have that, you will get all the status, or your status will share with anyone on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.